In this video, you'll learn how to manage Claude AI privacy settings so you stay in control of how your data is used. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, and I'll point out a few things to watch for along the way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, without having to dig through menus or guess what anything does. Let's start from the Claude web interface. Make sure you're signed in to your account in your browser. Once you're on the main Claude chat screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you do, a small menu opens up. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel for your account. This is where you manage things like your account details, preferences, and of course, privacy controls. Inside the settings panel, look for a section called Privacy and Data. It may appear as its own tab or as an item in a list along the left side or top of the panel, depending on your layout. Click on Privacy and Data to open that section. This area is specifically designed to let you control how your information and your conversations with Claude are handled. Once you're in the Privacy and Data section, take a moment to read any short description you see there. This will usually explain in plain language how your data might be used to help improve Claude or related services. Understanding this context is helpful before you change anything, so you know what the toggle actually affects. Now look for a toggle or switch with a label like Help Improve Claude or Model Training. The wording may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. This control determines whether your conversations and usage data can be used to train and improve the underlying models. If you prefer that your data is not used for that purpose, this is the setting you want to change. When you find that toggle, check its current position. If it's turned on, that usually means your data can be included in training and improvement processes. To disable this, simply click or tap the toggle to switch it to the off position. Often you'll see a visual change, like the color switching from a bright or highlighted color to a more muted one, indicating that it's now off. After you switch it off, pause for a second to make sure the change has actually taken effect. Some interfaces will save this change automatically as soon as you flip the toggle, while others might show a brief confirmation message. If you see a save button or an indication that changes need to be applied, go ahead and confirm or save your new setting. That's all you need to do. From now on, with Help Improve Claude or Model Training turned off, your data should no longer be used for those training purposes. You can always come back to the same Privacy and Data section later if you change your mind and want to adjust this setting again.